Search engine optimization is divided into three core types: on-page, off-page, and technical search engine optimization. On-page search engine optimization focuses on optimizing individual pages for keywords and content quality. Off-page search engine optimization involves building backlinks and social signals. Technical search engine optimization ensures your site is crawlable and fast. Mastering these strategies is essential for improving search engine rankings. Search engine optimization, or search engine optimization, enhances your website's visibility on search engines like Google. With 71% of clicks on the first page, search engine optimization is crucial for online success. It's a blend of strategies that ensure your site isn't lost in the digital landscape, driving more visitors and potential customers. The three pillars of search engine optimization are crucial for a robust strategy. On-page search engine optimization focuses on optimizing website content, keywords, and meta tags. Off-page search engine optimization builds authority through backlinks and brand mentions. Technical search engine optimization improves site infrastructure for better search engine indexing. Together, they ensure sustainable organic growth and enhanced visibility. On-page SEO is crucial for improving search engine rankings. Focus on strategic keyword placement, high-quality content, and meta tags. Ensure URLs are optimized and internal linking is smart. Prioritize user experience with fast loading speeds, mobile-friendly design, and intuitive navigation. Implement proper HTML structure, semantic markup, and image optimization for accessibility. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements directly on your website to boost search engine rankings. Key components include strategic keyword use, high-quality content, and meta tags. Focus on user experience with fast loading speeds, mobile-friendly design, and intuitive navigation. Ensure technical implementation with proper HTML structure, semantic markup, and image optimization for accessibility. Keyword optimization involves using relevant terms naturally in titles, headers, and content. Avoid stuffing. Focus on valuable content. Meta tags should be compelling and descriptive. Use header tags for clarity and structure. Optimize images with descriptive alt text and compression. Internal linking enhances navigation and helps search engines index your content effectively. In optimizing a healthy recipes blog post, use a title tag like 10 easy healthy recipes for busy weeknights to attract clicks. Integrate strategic keywords naturally in headings and content. Ensure images load quickly and include alt text such as grilled chicken salad with mixed vegetables. Link to related recipes, nutrition tips, and meal planning guides. Off-page SEO focuses on enhancing your website's authority through external activities. Key elements include acquiring quality backlinks, leveraging social media signals, and gaining brand mentions. These factors collectively boost your site's reputation, as search engines interpret backlinks from authoritative sites as endorsements, enhancing your credibility and search ranking. Off-page search engine optimization involves activities beyond your website to enhance its reputation and search engine ranking. It focuses on backlinks, social media signals, and brand mentions. Quality backlinks act as endorsements, boosting your site's credibility. The more authoritative sites link to you, the more trustworthy you appear to search engines. Quality backlinks from authoritative sites significantly enhance your site's credibility. Social media marketing boosts traffic and brand awareness, while brand mentions, even without links, increase trustworthiness. Collaborating with influencers and guest posting on reputable platforms builds authority and provides valuable backlink opportunities, expanding your audience and enhancing your digital presence. A tech startup leveraged guest blogging on platforms like TechCrunch and Wired, securing authority backlinks from high-traffic domains. Social media shares and brand mentions significantly boosted visibility. These efforts led to improved search rankings, increased referral traffic, and enhanced brand credibility, showcasing the tangible benefits of a strategic off-page search engine optimization approach. Technical SEO is crucial for ensuring search engines can efficiently crawl and index your site. Key elements include optimizing site speed, ensuring mobile friendliness, implementing secure HTTPS connections, and using structured data. Addressing technical errors like broken links and duplicate content is essential to make your content discoverable by your target audience. Technical SEO is crucial for enabling search engines to effectively crawl, index, and comprehend your website. It underpins all SEO efforts, emphasizing site speed, mobile optimization, secure HTTPS connections, and structured data. Addressing technical issues like broken links and duplicate content ensures your audience can discover your content. Website speed is crucial. Compress files, leverage caching, and use fast hosting. Mobile optimization requires responsive design and fast load times. Secure your site with HTTPS for better rankings and trust. Use XML sitemaps and robots.txt for efficient crawling. Implement schema markup for enhanced search visibility and click-through rates. Mastering SEO requires harmonizing on-page, off-page, and technical SEO. On-page SEO focuses on relevant, user-friendly content with optimized keywords. Off-page SEO enhances authority through quality backlinks. Technical SEO ensures accessibility, speed, and crawlability. Together, these pillars create a sustainable strategy driving traffic, engagement, and growth.